Hey friends, Gary here, and I just wanna take some time to say Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, and Happy New Year to you. And also I wanna appreciate all of your guys' support for my channel, for all of the likes, for all of the shares, the subscribes, the comments on my videos. I really appreciate them all, and I will take some time off from YouTube to have a nice little holiday with my family, and I will see you next year with more exciting videos, photography contents, all that sort of stuff, and hopefully it'll be an exciting year for us all. So happy holiday, have a safe, warm, lovely holiday with your loved ones, and see you on the next video. Goodbye.